Okay, so I've swapped over to a matte black baby vibe. Haven't used matte black for a while. I'm running a single treble, as I normally do. Jeez, the boats are like... And I'll go in and do the edges, but usually get a fish off this boat. You can see the growth on it has been cleaned in 50 years. Looks like there's activity over there as well. Gonna get on the... Oh, he's got me. Got me around the rope, hasn't he? Okay, so which way is he? Okay, so I need to, I've still got him on, just need to, get around, put the rod through. I think I should be okay. I can do this. He's around this side of the rope. Okay, I'm wrecked again. Okay, so what I want to do is just pass the rod through there. It's very hard to do because it's bloody windy. Okay, so I'm doing this. See how this goes. See if he's not wrapped around too many times. Oh, ooh, okay. There we go. That's all I had to do. Okay, I'm going to back it off now. Feels like it's got a bit of weight. Really broke my rod though, I'll tell you that much. Yeah. Ooh. Feels like it's a half decent fish. So what I didn't do was put pressure on it, on the fish while it was next to the rope, because the more pressure you put on while it's near the rope, it's going to obviously break a lot easier. So he might not be, there he is, yeah, he's a great fish. Oh, he's just lip hooked. Oh no. 8 knots, mate. Jet skis. Alright, so that was first cast actually, matte black. Oh, he's just lip hooked. Oh, I hooked him on the outside of the mouth. Shouldn't do this. There he is. Thanks, mate. Thanks for wrecking up my side too. That was awesome. I wanted someone to come right on top of me. Alright, there you go, guys. Have a look at him. He's a good fish. He's fat and tall. He's not that long, but he's fat and tall. Great fish. Okay. Knew I should have came out today. There you go. Wish I had the other one. There you go, buddy. Thanks for that. That was awesome. Jesus Christ, what was that? Alright, we'll do some... I used to have this theory where you would fish moored boats at low tide and edges at higher tide. It's just so far, like, in the last few years, it's just been really hard to not work out, but it hasn't always been like that. And the theory's just out the window. Like, as you can see, it's like high tide. I should be fishing edges, but I got one off a I should be fishing edges, but I got one off a boat hole. Like, that's not always the case. It's a terrible cast. But we've got the tide on our side today. Yeah. Oh, well, we'll do the boats, I think. When we do the boats, we're going to go from the back of the boat and bring the lure back naturally as with the tide. I think that will work a lot better. So when you do a really accurate cast, you've always got to watch your line, because the baby vibe will swim down and they usually get hit on the drop. Oh no. No. Alright, it's alright. That was a really bad cast. So I'm not using the 722. I don't know why, I've got a baby vibe tied on that as well. Weird, isn't it? Very weird. Anyway, we see. Go in the water eventually. Now it did. I've been foul. Might just do this mangrove edge as well. Nothing. Oh. Okay. So size 14 decoy I've got. Terrible cast. Alright, and then we're going to just do these boats, I think. It'd be good to do these mangroves when the tide's running out. I don't think it's going to be as effective if the tide's running in. We'll have a muck around with these boats here, see what we can come up with, and then I can do the edges here, go around. I'm really literally 300 metres from the boat ramp, so just maximise my time fishing instead of travelling today. It'll just be more casts, hopefully resulting in more fish. Okay, so that's the sort of mooring block. That's really silly what you did. Terrible cast. You got to get more accurate than that. But then the funny thing was, I casted the wrong way. Some bait up his head, hopefully. Jesus. Got some them box jellyfish here too. Oh no! Missed my cast by about a foot, I reckon. Which didn't really accurate cast, and I reckon I'll get a fish. It doesn't really matter what side we're fishing today, and because there's no shaded side. You've got that thing there. Great cast. If there's a fish on this boat, we will Definitely get him. If he goes that way, you'll be in massive trouble. I picked it. It's alright. I'm just learning, this is my first time in a kayak. I'm just learning how to drive it. So bear with me. That's good. High tide. They're on boats. Okay. Oh, pulled the bloody hook. Oh my god. Ah, that was terrible, man. Ah, disappointed in that. That was a good fish too. That was a really good fish. Damn it. Oh well. Oh well. I'm pretty happy. I've only done like 3 boats and I've got 1 fish and 1 full hook. A bit disappointed though in my effort then. Might fall. Quite fall. Had a little bit of drag, so if it wasn't hooked in properly, obviously the longer you fight the fish, the more chance it is of pulling the hook. It's alright. I'm okay because we sort of cracked the pattern a little bit. Edges weren't working that well. See what happens. Ooh. I might be right. Just think. That's right under. Must have been on there. 1 on there. Oh, came off the. What's the name, I think? Alright, trying to do some shallower boats, I think. I'm not a fan of the deeper ones. Where am I heading? Just don't do it this way. Go around and do it back to front. Can't believe I missed it. Not missed it, but I wonder if this red boat. I used to get fish off this red boat all the time. I wonder where it is. There it is. I'll go behind that one though. Better throw one here as well. Hope it didn't roll. When you're cranking a boat, I think it's better to, because you're covering, terrible, come away from the structure really easily. When you are cranking a boat though, they roll too. So when you touch the, cast, I'll just tighten that up a little bit just in case I get a good one. I have to get him out. Yeah, disappointed. I thought it was a good enough cast. Maybe not. Ooh, some weight on it. And couldn't get it off. We can do this boat here, we'll do the next boat, we'll do the next boat. There's a few boats we can do, but I still want to do this edge here. I By edge I mean pontoons. Okay, not that fast on that cast. Wasn't that good. Pretty horrendous to be honest. Okay. Terrible cast. The other thing as well, I think the rod that I've been using, the rod that I've been using, he did a really good first run. And I've actually tightened that up. Please don't come off. He's a good one. Oh, he's going to try and go into that pontoon, I think. Well, he's got me in the... Oh no. Still fighting, isn't he? Got to get a longer net. I've been discussing that for a while. I'm going to pull a hook out like that. There's a good one. Oh, he got it on the outside of the face. So he didn't get it properly. It's a great fish though. Okay mate, I'm going to get it out. We're going to relax. We're not going to use pliers because there's a lure. Matte black. There's a fish. It's only little actually. Nice bream. Cool. Okay, so I've got landed two, pulled the hook on one, and they've all been on boats in a high tide. So I'm not sure why. Actually, I'm not going to have a cast on pontoon. Where'd that go? Oh no! Terrible cast. God. That was heaps bigger. Ooh. Do this one, I reckon. Okay. So let's see if we can get one off this one. I'm not a fan of like metal boats. I don't know why. I'm not a fan of shit casts either. I think it's more, I want growth. I want growth on the boat. So we didn't get it deep enough along the side of the boat. Anyway, got a gold baby vibe on as well that I haven't used for ages. Everyone's been asking me if the gold works, and it does. But I haven't used it for a while. It's one of my biggest fish on the gold one. It's a great cast. I expect to fish it. There's one under there. Jeez, it's hard to get this thing moving. Can't believe it. I couldn't turn into position. Okay. It's okay. Just a little bit of a fix that I need. I haven't fished for like, I don't know, I can't remember the last time I fished. Was last Sunday, so I haven't fished for like 6 days. Horrendous. I'm going to get right in here. I don't want to do these two baits here. Got to be fish on these pontoons. There's a lot of shit on the pontoons though. Great cast. Just feathered that because it was going too far. That's one reason why I put my finger on the spool when I cast, so I could just feather it. Only little. Oh, he's woken up a bit. What is this? Is it a weird? Oh, it's not bream. Okay. Those are weird head shakes. Maybe because I got him in the gills. Little bream. Oh, I don't want these hooks in me. There you go, mate. That was just I only cast it there because I was trying to line myself up with this boat. I'm gonna go and do this one here, this one here, this one here. Haven't fished this side for fucking. Sorry, rephrase that. Haven't fished this side for probably 6 months. Alright, ready? Oh, I wonder if it rolled. I wonder if it rolled. No, it didn't. Nothing, eh? That's weed. It's a weed bite. There you go, there's the weed bite. Oh, he ate that. Feel the rod buckle over, that was awesome. He ate that really hard too. Is it? Ooh. Mad head shakes. Oh, it's a flatty. Is it a flatty? I don't think I've caught a flatty for a while. And I've got no pliers. That's awesome. Ooh. Flatty dog. Yeah, that's how you land a flatty. Yeah, that's great. Look how far down it is. Oh, I don't want to lose a lure. That'd be annoying. Yeah, but I definitely need pliers. Okay. Stop. Okay. I'm gonna do this. Okay. Oh, we got it right down. I've got no pliers, have I? That was a wicked head shake. Any pliers in here? No. Why would they have pliers in here for? That'd be like fucking intelligent. Any pliers in here? Yes, I found some pliers. That's great news. Okay. Alright, bloody dog. Oh. Got it. No problems, mate. Alright, Mr. Flatty. You alright? Hope you're alright, mate. Flatty on the baby vibe. Any chafing? Plenty. That's great. Oh, actually I got scissors. I'll cut it. Beautiful. I'll retie. Okay, I also want you to look closely at the lure while I'm retying. Tell me what you see different about it. Matte black. Put in the comments below. How good is it when you find your pliers? Not really pliers, just cutters. They're split ring cutter plier things. Okay, beautiful. Alright. Beautiful. Where did we get it on that one? Alright, we'll go to the next one. We'll do some boats. We'll probably do the boats on the... We've been fishing for an hour. So I've got another hour, I think. I don't know why the battery hasn't run out there. Must be getting close. Right. How good is my netting? Bad. Okay. I would like to start it on that far pole. Anyway. It's very shallow on this side. That's why I don't generally fish it. Terrible cast. I've got some really good fish on this side though. I'm going to aim always when I fish this side. I'm going to aim for the far pole and bring it back with the current, and wind and everything. Still don't think it's deep enough. I don't even know what you did then, but it was horrendous. Just imagine I'm going to get something in the drop. Okay. Oh, Taylor? Oh, good. Please don't have... He's not feeling this. Are you having a... It's a bit weird, isn't it? Great cast. Let's see if there's a fish under there. Oh, bloomin' hell! Bloody had it on the drop. A little bit harder to take the... Oh no. Not far enough in. Didn't really want to end up on that motor. Okay, we'll do this pontoon, we'll do a few pontoons. I'm just glad I got out. It's really good for you to go out of the house and after a long week. I had my son's soccer game at 8 o'clock, which was... Oh no! Which was a bit annoying because I can't have the younger kids earlier. They take into consideration that parents like, I want to go and do something on the Friday before. Anyway, whatever. Better. Dude, I can't believe I haven't got a fish for a while. Haven't got a fish for a while, and then I just pull the hook on one. Shit on there. Alright, go to this boat here. See what happens. We'll see what happens. Wanted another foot. Would have been lovely. Not even close. It's silly. If you're either going to do boats or wedges, you can't really do both because you're not going to be in the right position. Fact, I'm trying to do that one though. Bloody great, I'll do it. I wanted to. shit. Yeah, a lot harder to come struggling with my casting today. Which I struggle anyway, but I'm struggling a lot more than I normally do. Yeah, it's been closer than I've got to the mouth. Look at all this bites I've got. Oh, I like this one here, I really do. Got some really good fish on it. I didn't get the fish when I cast like that. I don't think. Just put light one on the drop. Better. Oh, you bit it. Jeez, you're slow. Absolute slow as. Anyway, I reckon I'll get one on this one. I'll do the back of the pontoon, and then I'll do the front of the boat. Confident. Alright, another 2 feet, I reckon. Let's just see if I can get one off them poles there. Not sure I can. Ah. Let me see. There's them out of the wind for like 2 seconds. That's nice. That's not fucking cool, is it? That's not cool at all. It's alright. I'm not going to waste that much time because we don't have much time. That's terrible. Keep going. That's right, I don't know. I'm going to speak to James actually. Because you don't want to be both. Alright, don't worry about it. Alright, I know. There we go. Alright, I'm going to try and get one out here. Terrible cast. Need another 5 metres. Just 5 metres though. I went as hard as I could then. No chance. Oh no. No chance. Reefing pretty hard. Okay. What happened here? That was terrible. Really was terrible. So I'm to about that. What are you going to do? Roost. Got absolutely railed them. Alright guys, so I've changed lure. Really disappointed I didn't land that fish. It was a really good one. I didn't have that much chance though. He got me pretty quickly. Oh no, where's this? Okay. I went pretty hard. He had me, briefed me. I was nearly got him locked up, but I was close to it. There we go. So I've pulled a hook on one, I've got busted, I've landed, I don't even know how many. Changed over to M02. No, it's not a fish. Yeah, really disappointed in that one. I had a lot of trouble getting big fish out lately. And the only thing that I can think of, terrible cast, is that I got all the big fish out earlier in the year. I was on an orange kayak. There's nothing to do with my talent as a fisherman, all to do with the colour of the kayak, I reckon. Oh, that's not even. Okay, where's that rope? Dude, that's a great cast. I love it on a drop now. I need to make up for that now. I need to get a really big fish out. Jeez, how much drag can you be running? Like, that's a lot of drag. I don't think that's far enough in. Anyway. Unbelievable. I don't think there's fish in there. What about here? I don't think there's fish in here. Really disappointed I missed that fish. What are you been smoking, boys? Something fucking weird. I didn't know that went. Another terrible cast. Oh, what's going on with the casting? I don't think you've been this bad for a while, have you? Well, what about that boat? I like it. That was a really good fish. Can't believe I missed it. Terrible cast again. Sorry, I'm just going to crank it. I'm going to actually crank this boat with a baby vine. Wait and see. Alright, it's going on the right angle to do that. Now we're going to do that. I'm going to... Oh, I hit my toe. Come on. Please don't foul up. Great. Nothing. So there's nothing under there. Anything coming for it? No. One. I really want to land this one. I really want to land this one. It's come out a bit. Okay, mate. There's one. Oh no. Oh, that's fun. Lynx, mate, stable as ever. Oh, it's a great fish. Really good fish. Okay. Yes. Good work, son. Okay, beautiful. I've got pliers. That's awesome. Oh, look where he got it, right in the corner of the mouth. So I probably struck it exactly the right time. Ooh. A good one. Got pliers right next to it. There you go. That's why you always get the pressure on the fish. Okay. Geez, they're strong. Like, just look how thick he is. Look how thick that. He got me a beauty about 4 times. They're not. Look how fat he is. Alright, buddy. Alright. See it? Camera on. Yeah. See ya. Beautiful. Happy with that. Made up for it. I reckon the other one's bigger, but I made up for it. The other one, and that's excellent. Couldn't. And that's the M02. It's like a muscle colour, sort of black with a gold. I used to use it all the time for I got matte black, then I've sort of swapped over, but just wanted to change it back up a little bit. That's excellent. Happy with that. Yes. Followed up with a horrendous cast. Hope it didn't roll. I really hope that didn't roll. Really hope it didn't roll. That's why I say you get a really good cast in close to the structure. They will eat it on the drop. Like, that was just ate it on the drop. Simple. Can't believe I didn't get one there. Like, seriously, it's one of my go-to spots. Alright guys, that'll do it for the day. Really quick session. Got to go to a 50th. Hopefully I'm not too dusty and I can go out tomorrow morning as well, but the weather's not looking that good. So I'll see what happens. Cheers.